Hindi ba nakakahiya maging miyembro ng Kongreso dahil parang naging normal na meron tayong isang kasamahan na inakusahan na nagbayad para sa mahigit 100 billion pesos ng mga kontrata sa DPWH? Para bang tinatanggap natin na normal lang magkaroon ng kasamahan na iniugnay sa pagnanakaw ng bilyong-bilyong piso na hindi iniimbestigahan na ng Committee on Ethics, Public Works o Intracon, samantalang inuunan natin ang kaso ni Congressman Barzaga? Lumalabas na parang okay lang magnakaw sa Kongreso.
From Voltaire's philosophy of tolerance and freedom of expression, this line is often quoted: I may not agree with what you say, but I will defend to the death your right to say it. The independence of the legislature ensures that members may speak fully, frankly, and fearlessly on matters of public interest. Ano po ba ang mas mabigat na kasalanan? Ang magmiyaw o ang magnakaw? Ano ba ang mas mabigat na kasalanan? Ang mag-video at mag-selfie at mag-post ng pagkadismaya sa gobyerno ang isang batang congressman? O ang ginawang sistematikong pagnanakaw sa gobyerno?
One thing I am sure of is that plundering the coffers of government through ghost infrastructure projects is what's unethical. Ganito ho ba tayo kabalat sibuyas at allergic sa mga naiibang pananaw? My dear colleagues, let us not erode whatever little trust that the public has left for this House at a time where allegations of massive corruption has been plaguing our beloved institution. It is callousness to sanction one of its most vocal critics, however eccentric, uncouth, or unpalatable his mode of delivery may be. Hindi po sa pamamagitan ng aksyong ginawa natin kay Representative Barzaga mapapawi ang kredibilidad ng ating institusyon.
Democracy does not mature through silence or suppression. It goes through robust exchange, matinding banggaan ng pananaw o mga malalamang diskurso ng pag-iisip kung saan ang katotohanan ay siyang huling magtatagumpay. Freedom of speech is not defended only when it is easy. It must be defended precisely when it is difficult, when the speech is unwelcome, unpopular, or uncomfortable. That is the true test of our commitment to constitutional principles.
If this House demands accountability, then we must likewise ensure fairness, otherwise we undermine the very integrity we claim to protect. At a time when Filipino families struggle with daily concerns such as rising prices, job insecurity, health burdens, educational gaps, our primary duty is to ensure that their material well-being remains the central business of the People's House. Let us not lose sight of the urgent fundamental issues that affect every household we swore to serve.
Mali po yan mga taga-House of Representatives dahil freedom of speech yan ni Kiko. Ang ordinaryong tao nga hindi nyo pwedeng magawan ng ganyan. Yung isa pa kayang tao na democratically elected ng taong bayan, hindi nyo pwedeng i-thwart yung kanyang democratic mandate sa pamamagitan ng pagmamagaling ninyo. Taong bayan ang nagluklok sa kanya dyan, kaya taong bayan lang din ang pwedeng magpatanggal sa kanya. Kaya please mga members ng House of Representatives, huwag kayong masyadong magmagaling. Huwag niyong i-undermine ang mandato ng ating Democratic Republic.